Another question we see from time to time is, recently my breakers just started tripping. This is something that's going to happen in your house from time to time. Your breakers are designed to trip when there's an issue. But if you recently just noticed it, you may ask yourself some questions like, am I doing something different that could be causing this? There are some things that could cause that. So for example, as weather gets cooler, we see a lot of people who will start plugging in space heaters. Space heaters draw a lot of amperage, and a lot of times if you've already got quite a bit of stuff plugged in, that can be just enough to trip your breaker. And that's what it's designed to do. You're drawing too much power, it's cutting the power off so there's no danger. Another thing you may notice is maybe it's in the middle of summer and everything seems to be working fine except when you turn that blow dryer on. Blow dryers are just like a space heater. They draw quite a bit of amperage, and if the blow dryers may be getting faulty or older, it may be the reason that your breakers are tripping. If there's nothing new like that happening and they just randomly started tripping, I would suggest getting a hold of your certified electrician. Get them out there to look at it. It's probably something that can be resolved fairly easy.